Students, welcome to our Sri Vishnu channel. This is Janardhan, your mathematics teacher. Our today's topic is pair of straight lines. We discuss about pair of straight lines continuation video. The equation of the pair of lines passing through the origin whose sum and product of slopes are respectively the arithmetic and geometric mean of 4 and 9 are. Okay, 4 and 9 is the equation of pair of lines passing through the origin whose sum and product of slopes are respectively the arithmetic and geometric mean of 4 and 9, and this is sum of the slopes 4 plus 9 by 2. That means m1 plus m2 is equal to sum of slopes are the arithmetic mean is 4 plus 9 by 2 arithmetic mean is 13 by 2, and product of slopes of geometric mean is root 4 into 9. This is equal to root 36 is equal to 6. Now m1 plus m2 is equal to 13 by 2. m1 m2 is equal to 6. Okay. Now let the equations y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. Now the combined equation is y minus m1x into y minus m2x is equal to 0. That implies m1 m2 x square minus of m1 plus m2 into xy plus y square is equal to 0, and this is m1 m2 is 6 x square minus m1 plus m2 is 13 by 2 into xy plus y square is equal to 0. Now this is LCM is 2x square minus 13xy plus 12x square minus 13xy plus 2y square is 0. Now see the options in our material, page number 119 or 120. Okay. Now this is the answer is 12x square minus 13xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. Now I can repeat sum of slopes of the arithmetic mean is 4 plus 9 by 2, that means 13 by 2, and the product of slopes of the geometric mean is b is equal to root ac, that means root 4 into 9, that means 6. Now sum of the slopes is 13 by 2 and the product of the slopes is 6. Now the passing through the origin to the lines y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x, that the combined equation is y minus m1x into y minus m2x is equal to 0, and this is simplify the equation is m1 m2 x square minus of m1 plus m2 into xy plus y square is equal to 0. Now the substitute the values in sum of the slopes and product of the slopes is and this. Now the LCM is 2. Now required pair of line is 12x square minus 13xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. Now see the options in our material. Though this is the answer. Okay, write down. Straight lines represented by represented by x square plus y square into sin square alpha is equal to x square x cos alpha minus y sin alpha whole square is first option is alpha by 2 and second option is alpha, third option is 2 alpha, fourth option is pi by 2. Now see the equation x square sin square alpha plus y square sin square alpha is equal to x square cos square alpha plus y square sin square alpha minus 2xy cos alpha sin alpha, and this is y square sin square alpha, y square sin square alpha terms are cancelled, and x square of cos square alpha minus sin square alpha plus minus 2x minus xy sin 2 alpha is equal to 0, and this is cos square alpha minus sin square alpha is sin 2 alpha minus xy into sin 2 alpha is equal to 0. This is cos theta is equal to modulus of a plus b. Here a is this is cos 2 alpha, a plus b, where b is 0 by root of a minus b whole square. That means cos square 2 alpha plus sin square 2 alpha. This value is 1. This is cos 2 alpha. Cos theta is equal to cos 2 alpha and theta is equal to 2 alpha. Now the angle is 2 alpha. See the options. Now the answer is third option is 2 alpha. Okay. Is the slope of one lines represented by ax square minus 6xy plus y square is equal to 0 is the square of the other, then the values of a is first option minus 27r8, second option minus 3r2, and third option minus 64r27, and fourth option minus 4r3. Now slope of one line is m. Slope of one line is the represented by the pair of line is the square of the other line, slope of the line. That means one slope of the line is m, other slope of the line is the square, that means m square. Okay. Now this is sum of the slopes is m plus m square is equal to minus 2h by b. That means minus of minus 6 by 1, where ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Here a is a, 2h is minus 6, b is equal to 1. That means 6. And this is product of the slopes is a by b. That means a by 1, this is equal to a. Okay. Now m plus m square is equal to 6. Now cubing on both sides. That means m plus m square whole cube is equal to 6 cube. Now m cube plus m square whole cube plus 3ab. That means 3m square into m plus m square is equal to 216. And this is m cube plus m cube whole square plus 3m square of m plus m square is equal to 216. That means m cube is equal to a. This is a plus a square plus 3a into m plus m square is 6 is equal to 216. That means a square plus 18a plus 17a minus 216 is equal to 0. Now the factorize the quadratic equation. That implies a square plus 27a minus 8a minus 216 is equal to 0. Now subtract 27 minus 8, this is 17. 27 minus is 18a plus a 19a minus 216 is equal to 0. Now the factorize the quadratic equation. Now subtract 27 minus 8, 19. 27 into minus 8 minus 216. That implies a common is a plus 27 minus a minus 8. A plus 27 is equal to 0. And this is a minus 8 into a plus 27 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 8 or a is equal to minus 27. Now the values of a is minus 27 or see the options is minus 27 or 8. Now once I repeat, slope of one line is m, is the square of the other line of slope is m square. Now sum of the slopes is minus 2h by b and the product of the slope is a by b. Sum of the slopes is 6 and product of the slopes is a. Now this is m plus m square is equal to 6. Now cubing on both sides, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to something. Now this is substituting the values. Now the quadratic equation for the factorize the values of a is 8 and minus 27. Now options, first option is 27 or 8. Okay, write down. X plus y is equal to k makes the pair of straight lines x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 in 2 points A and B if O is the origin and angle AOB is 90 degree, then the value of K is 4, third option is 3 and fourth option is 2. Okay, now angle AOB is 90 degree and the point of intersection of the pair of straight lines is x plus y is equal to k. Now this is homogenizing process. X square plus y square minus 2 of x plus 2y into 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square is equal to 0. Now this is the line x plus y is equal to k. Here x plus y by k is equal to 1 and x square plus y square minus 2 of x plus 2y into x plus y by k plus 2 into x plus y by k whole square is equal to 0. Now we observe the angle AOB is 90 degree now. That means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. Now collecting coefficient of x square terms. Here x square coefficient is 1 and this is x into x square and 1 by k. That means minus 2 by k and x square a square 1 by k square into 2 plus 2 by k square. Now this is the x square coefficient of terms and the collecting y square coefficient of terms. Y square coefficient is 1, 2y into y, 2y square, that is 2 by k into minus 2, minus 4 by k plus y square by, and that means 1 by k square into 2, 2 by k square is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is that implies 1 plus 1 is 2 and minus 6 by k plus 4 by k square is equal to 0. Now the LCM is k square. 2k square minus 6k plus 4 is equal to 0. This is k square minus 3k plus 2 is equal to 0. Now factorize the quadratic equation. K square minus 2k minus k plus 2 is equal to 0, and this is k common, this is k minus 2 minus 1 common, this is k minus 2 is equal to 0, and this is k is equal to 1 or k is equal to 2. Now k is greater than this, and k విలువ 1 కంటే పెద్దది అని అర్థం. That means k is equal to 2. Now see the options are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the fourth option is 2. Now k is equal to 2. Okay, write down. Two pairs of straight lines with combined equations xy plus 4x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0, and xy minus 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 from a square. Then the combined equation of its diagonals. Okay, two pairs of straight lines with the combined equations. That means first one is pair of line and second one is the other pair of line form a square. Then the combined equation of diagonals. Okay, now first of all see the one of the combined equation. Xy plus 4x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. That implies x is term common. Now y plus 4 minus 3 term common is there, y plus 4 is equal to 0, and this is x minus 3 into y plus 4 is equal to 0, and this is x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 4. And the second combined equation, that implies xy minus 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0, and this is the common term x of y minus 3 and plus 4 common y minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies y minus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 0, and this is x is equal to minus 4 and y 3, y is 3. Now the vertices are a minus 4 comma 4, c 3 comma 3, and this is b 3 comma minus 4, and this is d, and this is 4 comma 3. Now the square of the diagonal, that means this is the square, this is a b c d, this is a b c d, a b c d. Now diagonal of AC and BD, that is the combined equation of diagonal AC and BD, we get the required equation. The required equation is x square minus y square plus x minus y is equal to 0. Okay, now first of all find out the equation of AC and find out BD. Combined multiplying equations, combined the now equation of AC and BD, the combined equations of the pair of line is x square minus y square plus x minus y is equal to 0. Okay, write down. equation of the pair of lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of x square plus y square is equal to 9 and x plus y is equal to 3 is okay. The equation of the pair of lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of these line and these. Okay, now here x square plus y square minus 9 into 1 whole square is equal to 0, and this is x plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Now the homogenizing process is x square plus y square minus 9 into x plus y by 3 whole square, and this is x square plus y square minus 9 into a plus b whole square, expanding x square plus y square plus 2xy by 9 is 0. This is cancelled. That implies x square plus y square minus x square minus y square minus 2xy is equal to 0. The x square y square terms is cancelled. Now minus 2xy is equal to 0. Now xy is equal to 0. Now the equation of the pair of lines joining the origin is xy is equal to 0. Now see, the options are our material. Now the answer is xy is equal to 0. Okay, write down. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines x plus y is equal to 1 and 2y square minus xy minus 6x square is equal to 0 is. Now first option is 4 by 3, 4 by 3, and the second option is 2 by 3, 2 by 3, and third option is 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, and fourth option is 4 by 3 minus 4. Center of the triangle formed by the line x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Here l is equal to m is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. And the comparing with the pair of line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Here a is equal to minus 6, 2h is equal to minus 1, and b is equal to 2. Now the orthocenter is equal to KL comma KM, where k is equal to minus n of a plus b by am square minus 2HLM plus BL square. Okay, now the simple shortcut form. Okay, and this is k is equal to minus n, minus of minus plus 1 into a plus b. Here minus 6 plus b by am square values must change. The values is square minus xy plus 2y square is equal to 0, minus 6x square plus xy minus 2y square is equal to 0. Here a is 6, 2h is equal to 1, and b is equal to minus 2. So here minus n of a plus b, 6 minus 2 by am square 6 into m square minus 2h plus bl square minus 2 into l square 1. Now this is 6 minus 2 4, 6 1 is 6 minus 1, 5 minus 2 3. So here k is equal to 4 by 3. Now the orthocenter is 4 by 3 into L. That means 4 by 3 into 1 is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 into 1 is 4 by 3. So answer. Now here k is 4 by 3. Now the orthocenter is KL comma KM. K is 4 by 3 into L, where L is 1. 4 by 3 into 1, 4 by 3. and km 4 by 3 into 1 4. Now the ortho center is 4 by 3 comma 4 by 3. So answer is first option. Okay. L be the line joining the origin to the point of intersection of the lines represented by 2x square minus 3xy minus 2y square plus 10x plus 5y is equal to 0 if L is perpendicular to the line kx plus y plus 3 is equal to 0, then k is equal to, now this is okay. Now we observe the pair of line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. Now the point of intersection is equal to hf minus bc by ab minus h square and gh minus af by ab minus h square. Now this is one of the process, minus point of intersection is minus 1. Simplify the substituting the values in this formula. Now we get point of intersection is minus 1 comma 2. Now this is one of the process, and the another one of the process is a pair of line is splitting the pair of line, and this is now 2x square minus 3xy minus 4 no, minus 3xy minus 2x square. So this is x minus 2y into 2x plus y. Now we see the equations x into x 2x square, x into y xy, minus 2 into 4 in constant terms, this is 5. Now 5 into y 5y, 5 into 10 10x. Now this is now the constant term nothing, so is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is the now slope of the line, slope of line L is equal to OP, that means minus 2. This is M1, and other line of slope kx plus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and the slope is equal to minus k. The two lines are perpendicular, then m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, and this is where m1 is minus 2 and this is m2 is minus k is equal to minus 1. Here k is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the value of k is minus 1 by 2. Okay. One process is point of intersection minus 1 comma 2, and the another process is split the pair of line. This is the separate lines x minus 2y plus 5 into 2x plus y is equal. This is the origin to the origin to passing through the line. Now this is slope of OP is minus 2. This is m1, and the other line of the slope is m2 minus. Now the lines are perpendicular, then m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, and this is k is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now the answer is k is equal to minus 1 by 2. The equation of the pair of straight lines, the equation of the pair of straight lines passing through the point point 1 comma 2 and perpendicular to the pair of straight lines 3x square minus 8xy plus 5y square is equal to 0 is, now the perpendicular, now the equation of the pair of line passing through the point alpha beta and perpendicular to the pair of straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, b into x minus x1 whole square plus 2h into x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus a into y minus y1 whole square is equal to 0. Now here b 5 into x minus x1, that means x minus 1 whole square plus 2h into x minus x1 and 1 into y minus 2 plus a 3 into y minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now simplify the equation, we get the answer. See our material in the option. So this is answer is, see the material. Okay, write down. Wait. 2h is minus 4. 2h is equal to minus 8. That means minus 8 into. The pair of line, if the pair of straight lines xy minus x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and the line x plus ay minus 3 is equal to 0 or congruent, then the acute angle between the pair of lines are ax square minus 13xy minus 7y square plus x plus 23y minus 6 is equal to 0 is, find the angle. Okay, if the pair of straight lines xy minus x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now first of all split the lines. Xy minus x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is x term is common and y minus 1 is common and y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now y minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here x is 1 and y is 1. Now the point, now the lines are congruent, then point 1 comma 1, the line x plus ay minus 3 is equal to 0 and this is 1 plus a minus 3 is equal to 0. A minus 2 is equal to 0, here a is equal to 0. Now substitute the value in the given pair of line equal to 2. Now this is cos theta is equal to modulus of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square, and this is here a is 2 plus b is minus 7, that means minus 7 by a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square, and this is minus 5 by 81 plus 169, and this is 5 by 250 and 5 by 25 into 10, and this is 5 by 5 into root 10, this is 1 by root 10. So now the angle is 1 by root 10. This is options in our material. We observe the answer. Okay, 1 by root 10. 1 by root 10. Okay, now I repeat, xy minus x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Split the value, split the lines. Y minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now the point x1, y1, and this is point 1, comma 1. Now the lines are congruent. That means the point passing through this line, and this is a is equal to. Here a is substituting the given pair of line, and cos theta is equal to modulus of a plus b by root of a minus b plus 2h whole square. Okay, here a is 2, b is minus 7, that is minus 5, and a minus b whole square formula 2 minus of minus 7 plus 9 whole square, that means 81, and 2h is minus 13. Now 169, 250, 25 into 10, 5 root 10, 5 pi 5 cancel. This is 1 by root 10. Now cos theta is equal to 1 by root 10 and theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 10. Okay, write down.